Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. We are currently on a staycation and we thought of sharing with you our travel disinfection kit. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. Stick around because I'm here to pass it on. First up is this UVC box. This is a DIY UVC box. If you are interested to make one, we made a separate video on that. I'll just place the card right here. So this is the lamp, the timer, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 60 minutes. This one you have to plug. However, we have 3 other UVC lights. They are portable. So we have this, and this. So these 3 are USB powered. So in some resorts, you have to place your key card, right, to have a power source. And so whenever we need to bring our key card, then we use either of the 3, or we use the 3. Then we also have this air purifier. We use it in the room. We also use this one in the car. Then we have this bleach disinfection generator spray. I made a separate video on this. This generates bleach through salt and water. If you want to know more, I'll just place the card right here. Then we also have alcohol, Lysol disinfectant spray, Lysol wipes, also have face shields, more face shield, and we also have face masks. Okay, so we are already here in our room, but before we enjoy, we brought our own UV box right there. So we will be disinfecting the room using our own UV light, our own UV box. We know that the room is already sanitized, but it's just our thing. All right, so let's go. So that is it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Remember, disinfect to protect. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless. Bye!